Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn something interesting. Okay, do you know what is here with me? These are two cups, right? Or we can say bowls, but they are of different size. Yes, today we are going to learn about size, and that is big and small. Okay, tell me, whenever your mama gives you chocolate, if she has two chocolates of different sizes, one is big and another one is small, then which chocolate would you like to prefer? Obviously, you would like to have the big one. Which one? Big one, right? And the small one, what will you do with that? After taking big chocolate, after eating it, you will demand for the smaller one also, isn't it? Yes, I know it because you all love chocolates. So, today I have brought many objects with me to show you the concept of big and small. So, first one is this. What is big? Big means that much, which is bigger in size. Tell me which bowl is big in size? Blue one or the purple one? Naturally, blue one. It is big in size. Which one? This one is big and this one is small. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Now, I have two bottles here, right? Look, I have two bottles. One is big and another one is small. Now tell me, is it big or small? This is small and this one is big. Big, small. This is big bottle and this is small bottle. Now, I'll show you another object. What is in my hand? It's a small box, isn't it? But something is in this. And it's giving a sound. Let me show you what is in it. Oh, what is this? It's a small one. Look, it is so small. Isn't it? Now tell me, I have two boxes here, small, both are small, but which one is big among these? This one or this one? This is big and this is small. Big, small. Now let's see some other objects. Now look here, I have two plates. What I have? Two plates. Look carefully. These are two plates. So which one is big? Tell me, this or this? This one. This plate is big and this plate is small. Big, small, big, small. Now look here. What is in my hand? It's a box, right? And one more box I have here, this one. They both have different size, right? This box is big and this is small. Big, small, big, small. Now I'm going to show you some pictures in the book. Look here. What is it? Elephant. Yes. This is mother elephant and this is baby elephant. So, mother elephant is big and baby elephant is small. Now look at these birds. This bird is big and this bird is small. Now let's see this one, this picture. Now we are to color. Okay, look at here. Here we are told to color the small snail. Tell me which one is small. This one or this one? This one. This is small. So let's color it. Slowly color the small snail. It is a small snail. Our coloring is about to over, and look, it is done. So this is a small snail and this is a big snail. Now come to the next exercise. We have two whales here. Okay, now which one is small and which one is big? This is small and this one is big. So what we are to do is we are to color the big whale. So let's start coloring. First we are to do outline. What we are to do? Outline. Our outline is about to complete. Now we will fill the color inside the whale. Okay? Like this, side to side. Do you know where whale lives? It lives in the oceans or sea, and it is the largest animal on the earth. Whale is the largest animal on the earth. It is much bigger than the elephant. If we have 3 elephants together, it makes one whale. Look, our coloring is also done. I hope you have understood the concept of big and small, and you are going to follow all my instructions. That's all from my side today.